Okay, we're in room 312 at the Eden Room. And that is actually right outside of, well, it's right on Disneyland property. So I just wanted to bring you in quickly, show you the room. 2 queen beds, flat panel TV, refrigerator. Don't see a microwave, but it's not a big deal. I'm okay with that. We have the bathroom area, and this is our bathroom. And I think this room was maybe 112 for the night. And it's actually very nice people too that run the hotel. So anyway, oh, and I do have a microwave down there. All right, guys, I know that's quick. There's not a lot to see here, but literally where we're at, I'll put a picture in this video that'll show you where Eden Rock is and how close everything is to it. So, all right, thanks, bye.